Hello dear students, let us start with a new video of biology. Today we are going to discuss a practical of biology. You can see that this is the cover page for the biology practical notebook for standard 11th. So let us start with the practical. As we know that our first practical is on the study of the parts of microscope. It is given on page number 3 to 8. Let us start the practical then. Experiment number 1, we know that study of parts of microscope. Aim is to study the parts of compound microscope and the function. What are the requirements of this practical? It's a compound microscope, simple microscope, and the principle behind this experiment is for an indispensable instrument which is used for observing the minute things is a compound microscope. We know that the things which cannot be seen by the naked eyes are observed under the microscope, like the structural details of the cell, tissues, organ, or a monocular compound microscope or a simple microscope is normally used in biology labs. A modern compound microscope has the following structural component as we are going to see one by one. So let us move towards the non-optical components. Non-optical means which is not related to the optics. That is, the lens will be under the optics, but other than that the hardware, or we can say in simple way that the body is being included in the non-optical components. The base, which is a horseshoe shape, arms, it is a curved metallic handle which connect the base by the inclination joint which support the stage and the body. Inclination joint is used for tilting the microscope. That means it can be tilted in the direction which is needed for getting the maximum light which is being used for the practicals for observing the minute microscopic objects. Stage, on which the platform with a central hole fitted to the lower part of the arm. Next is the body tube which is holding the ocular, that is the optical piece, eyepiece, and the objective lenses at both the ends. We know that there is also a draw tube that remains fixed at the upper end of the body. It is the eyepiece or the ocular lenses. Afterward we have the few adjustment screws. We know that it is used for the coarse adjustment, the larger one, while the smaller one is used for the fine adjustment. We have the different eyepieces. Eyepieces are of 5x and 20x. X indicates the times, while we have diaphragm. Diaphragm is just fitted below the stage for regulating the amount of the light. It is again of two types. Let us see one by one. Here we can see the first one, that is the condenser. Condenser is just attached below the diaphragm. Condenser can be moved up and down. Mirror. Mirror is for getting a optical light, that is the basic light which is needed for viewing the objects. We have different kinds of microscope here. It's for general information. Simple microscope, dissecting microscope, fluorescent microscope, electron microscope, transmission electron microscope, that is STEM, and scanning electron microscope for the known as the SEM. It is also used for the observing the minute details of an object. Okay, let us see the experiment how we have to do. It's a demonstrative experiment, so we have to label this. Okay, it is written explain the difference between the two instruments and given on the tables to the diagrams. We have two different kind of microscope. One is the dissecting microscope and the another one is the compound microscope. The one which you are seeing on the screen is a dissecting microscope which is used for observing the objects. Let us see the naming of the objects. See, this is the second one. It is also given an activity for filling the details here. We are going to fill one by one. See here the detail outline, or we can say the label for the compound microscope. Ocular is the eyepiece, the body tube, revolving nose piece, high power objectives, low power objectives. High power and low power is given here. High power with a long length, low power with a minimum value 10x. We know that the high power is having the maximum powers up to 100x. Cover slips, clips are there, stages, stage clips, arms, fine adjustment, the coarse tube adjustment, inclination joint, mirror is there for the light, and the horseshoe base is there. Let us see the naming now, which is the important one for you. You have to name it in your book. The folded arm, adjustment screw, base. We can see that this is a simple microscope. Mirror is there, stage, lens. Next one, how to label this? Let us see here. Eyepiece, draw tube, body tube, revolving nose piece, objective stage, mechanical stage, diaphragm for getting a specific light. It is also having a shutter which adjusts the amount of light. Light source, we have here the knobs, inclination joint, handle, fine adjustment, coarse adjustment. In this table you have to see the different magnification. Eyepiece magnification 5x, objective magnification will be 10x, and total magnification is 50x. When we are having 10x, objective magnification is 4x, 45x, that together will be multiply, we will get 450x. That is 450 times magnified image we will obtain. 15x multiplied by object magnification, that is 100x, will give 1500 times magnified image. 20x multiplied to 45x will give 900 times magnified image. So we could easily get an idea that even a minute object can be magnified up to 10 times, 45 times, 100 times. So you can imagine that compound microscope is so useful for us for the analysis, for detecting even the microscopic things. It can be cell, it can be tissue, it can be we can say the any kind of pathogens which is being used, or generally we can say this is very helpful for study of the microbes. Thank you for watching the video.